One is substitutable when common attributes are shared between the current partner and the alternative. Commonness will make it difficult for the partner to respond, continue commitment, foster trust, and feel less likely to preempt pursuit of an alternative. For someone already in a relationship, the life a person could have with a possible alternative partner might look a lot better and therefore contribute to affection's wavering. Commitment thus is constrained. So this lets you know then that the partner did not set commitment as an initial goal. Like I said, we get into these relationships and we just hope everything works out. But commitment is a goal that you should set, especially if you're going to get into a long-term cohabitation situation or a marriage. You're not going to commit to a short-term partner. We already understand that. But if you're going to move in and merge your lives together and have kids, pay bills, have joint bank accounts and things like that, why isn't commitment an initial goal for that relationship? So that means that the only goal you set was to come together with somebody, live together with somebody, have sex with somebody, eat food with somebody, but not actually be committed. So it's like the person who has their one foot outside of the circle and one foot inside of the circle.